Okay.
There's no light, guys.
It's okay. It's okay. There will be.
Oh! No.
Monte, I can't see you in the camera. All right, everyone, make official. Cannot see this.
David, your dad.
Hi, Dad. Where is he? Yeah, we're just gonna set off a grand finale.
Why are you sitting on the ground? What are you doing? Not really.
They're gonna shoot at you guys.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Haha, there we go.
Stop! Get closer, guys.
Fire, 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 fire.
Oh, don't, dude, don't. Ah!
Okay.
Ah!
Oh, dude.
Dude! David, fire!
Dude, fire! 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 Ah!
What is he doing?
Ah!
Guys, did you just throw one at me?
No, it's that!
Stop shooting it! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Dude, this is all on film, isn't it?
Yeah!
Yes! Oh my gosh!
I'm not sure the part that it hit you, but still, that was cool. All right, stop.
Wait, did you stop it?
Stop now.
Hold on, no, keep it on. Oh my god. This is crazy.
You gotta stop it now.